Okay, boys and girls, we are going to talk about homophones today. Homophones. The word homophone can be broken up into two parts, homo and phone. If you look right here, it tells us that homo means same and phone means sound. So homophone means same sound. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different spellings and mean different things. If you look at this example, we have a pair of shoes and a pear the fruit. Let's read these sentences. I have a pair of blue sneakers. Kim had a green pear with her lunch. They both sound the same, but they mean different things. And if you look at the sentence around it, you'll know which one to use. You can use context clues. Let's look at our I can statement. It says, I can identify and practice sight words and reading vocabulary using homophones. All right, so that's what we're going to do today. Let's start by looking in this top corner. I have two pictures for you. Okay, you know what this one is. 8, 8. He ate a bite of watermelon. I have 8 donuts. Let's look at our next one. Blue, blue crayon. Blue, the wind blew. They both sound the same, but they're spelled different and they mean different things. Night, night. This is nighttime. This is a knight in shining armor that you might find in a storybook. I know what these are. Pause. And here we have the pause button to pause a video. Pause, pause. Sail, the house is for sale. Sail, sailboat. Flour that grows in the garden. Flour that you use to bake with. They sound the same, but they mean different things. Mail, like you get in your mailbox. Male, like a man or a boy. Look at her wild hair. Hair, we wouldn't call that a bunny if we're doing homophones. It must be a hare. Okay, last one here. Robber? Well, I don't think that's a robber. I know. Steal. Steal. The robber steals my money. The steel beam is heavy. All right, let's keep going. I'm going to open this one. Identify the homophones in the sentence below. I would be terrified if a bee landed on me. Well, I remember that homophones sound the same. So which two words sound the same? Bee and bee. This bee down here means like a bumblebee. Bzz, bzz, bzz. All right, let's look at our next one. When I got a new one, I decided to sell my old cell phone. Do you see the homophone pair? There it is. Sell and sell. This sell is to get money. And this cell is like a cell phone. Okay? Darius filled in the hole with a whole bag of sand, but it still wasn't enough. Do you see your homophone pair? There they are, hole and hole. The first hole is like a hole in the ground. The second hole is the entire thing, like part whole. Jalen was frustrated that she did not know how to tie a knot in her shoe. Knot, knot. All right, circle the incorrect homophone in the sentence. Incorrect. That means wrong. So we're looking for the wrong thing this time. All right, let's see. I need salt, sugar, and flour to bake the cookies. Flour. That should be Flour. I went to the window to see the birds. See. That should be SEE. This sea is like the ocean. In art class today, we made animals out of clay. Oh, this one's tricky. I see it. Maid. This is like someone who cleans your house. The maid we're looking for is MADE. We read a chapter from my book every night. There it is, night. All right, last thing. Challenge. Write a sentence using a pair of homophones. Example, my maid made cookies for me. Send it to your teacher to see if you did it right. Thanks, boys and girls.